Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Mr. Spockton here and welcome back into another video of Survival Craft. Now today, the goal for this video is actually to get some coal. So this mountain is going to be our next location. Well, basically, I've noticed that a lot of coal can actually be found on mountains. So this is what exactly we're going to do. For this video, we're going to try to find a lot of coal and probably some copper if we can find it on the way. But yeah, that's literally all we're gonna be doing today. I'm not gonna make it too boring. I'm just gonna skip some part that was not really interesting. But I'm gonna show you guys the layout of the cave because they look pretty sick. Oh, it's becoming nighttime, so you know what? I'll start a small base and I'll see you guys there. Whoa, what the fuck? Why is this dude on fire? Blue. Oh. Okay, so I guess this is how they transform. Alright, basically go Super Saiyan mode and just turn back into regular wolves. Okay, I guess. Alrighty, after killing this Panther, it is time for us to actually go and explore the mountain. Now, yes, there's a cave beside me right here. But I don't feel like exploring it because I feel like I would only get a small amount of coal and some copper, which I'm not really looking forward to. So for now, we're actually gonna go up the mountain and see how much copper we can find. Copper, I mean how much coal we can actually gather. Well, if that ain't scary, well, just one wrong step and we're off the edge. Yeah, that's not really the most ideal thing to do. But anyway, let's continue going up and probably find some coal. Hopefully. And there we go. I guess the trip was actually kind of worth it. We found some coal. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, it was not worth it. That's not a lot of coal. I was expecting way more and I could have died so many times there. But hey, coal is coal and we kinda need it. So let's just go and grab it real quick. Okay, yeah, this is actually so dangerous right now. We have a fucking thunderstorm and we're on top of a mountain. Yeah, that's literally not the best thing to do right now. Alright, that should be the last one. Whoa, did you guys see that? Okay, that was very close. Good thing we're actually under some rocks. So, thankfully we're safe and that should have been the last piece of coal. Yeah, I think so. Let's just break this and get moving. I'm not staying here for any more longer. Alright, so this cave should be able to house us or shelter. Oh, okay, that's a panther. Well, fuck. I can't actually go down there, can I now? Oh, wait. Okay, it just committed suicide. Alright. There's even a bear, I think, down there. Oh, okay. These caves are dangerous as fuck, so we're not going down there. We're actually gonna go this way and... Oh. Oh, that goes deep. Yeah. Okay, you know what? This is where I'm going down. Hey, we're finally down. Oh, okay. Oh, go back up. Go, get back up. Get back up right now. There's a fucking bear here. Okay. Yeah, I didn't expect a bear to be so deep into the caves. Well, now what? I think we're gonna have to kill it. If we want to advance, we're gonna have to kill it. So, yeah, let's actually try to get some stuff at least. Oh, it's looking at me. Let's aim an arrow at it. That should hit it right there. There we go. Alright, so you know what? I'm just gonna kill it. I don't think it can actually climb the stairs. So I think we should be... Okay, it can climb the stairs. Nope, nah, yeah. Okay, these guys are way smaller than I thought. It can climb. Yeah, I'm not dealing with this. I'm just gonna kill it real quick before it actually kills me.
Alright, so actually already killed the bear, so we should be quite safe for now, but I think it's actually dark outside right now, and I'm actually tired in the game, so you know what, I'm just gonna make a small shelter thing here, and I'm gonna place a door just in case any hyenas or any wolves actually spawn in. I'm just gonna be sleeping here for a while, so I'm gonna change this to dirt. As you can see, you're tired, take a nap.
So yeah, I'm just gonna place the door in front of here, and I'm gonna head to bed. And there we go, it should be morning. I'm not tired anymore, so let's start mining these coals. While actually going this way while fighting the bear, I actually found some coal, but there was actually a hole down here which I didn't want to go any further. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna be just collecting the coal before going any further down, and hopefully we actually don't die in the process, because yeah, it is quite a steep hole. Alright, so after collecting the coal, I actually went a bit more down and found myself a bear and a hyena. So yeah, we're gonna have to continue fighting them, because I think there's even more coal down there, and there could be some copper or something else like iron. So we might as well try to find anything we can get.
No way that you can hide from the best. I'm a mess, I body anything that take a breath. On my left is a pile of body bigger than myself, and on my right is 100 scared souls scream at hell.
Well, those guys were rather weak, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, they were easily dealt with, so let's actually continue going down and hopefully find some more stuff. There is some more coal here, which I am going to actually collect right now. And there we go, that should be the last piece. Alright, so now let's actually continue going down. We're actually gonna make a stair, because I kinda don't want to die right now. We're actually very what star? What am I talking about? We're actually very far in. And wait, hold up. Does it end here? Nah, this can't be true. Come on now. Oh wow, it actually ends here. There's nothing else. Well, that was... Yeah, that actually took me by surprise there. I thought it would be going way deeper, at least until lava. But I guess not. Well, I guess we're just gonna be returning home. Well, that was really anticlimactic. I was expecting way more than just coal. But hey, I guess I came to find coal, and I found coal, so yeah, I guess it's a win either way. And we're home from our venture, and yeah, I've been quite far from my home, and it's been a while since I've returned, and I'm quite excited to see of how much coal I've actually gotten my hands onto. So let's see. So we got a few stacks right now, 3 and 4 right here. So I think I have another stack in my other chest. In this one I have 25, so that should be another stack. So I got 5 stacks and 21 coal. Now that's just amazing. But I'll wrap it up for today, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next